Today I'm going to be reviewing BANSTLE's eyeglasses holder strap 3-piece. 2 here, got 1 on the glasses. They are adjustable. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what they look like. This piece right here is the silicone, very easy to adjust. And then what I like, the silicone ends that you put the glasses into and it holds it really tight. So I've got it right here. So it just slips in there. You can see how hard it is to come out. So basically, you put this on, I put it in all the way, and you're good to go. They are very lightweight, and they'll fit on prescription glasses. They'll fit on, obviously, almost any type of glasses out there, and I don't think you have to worry about them going anywhere or this strap breaking. Feels comfortable. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars, over 1,700 reviews, which I love to see. And last month, of just the black color, 4,000 of these were bought. People are keeping them. They like them. So if you're looking for a good glass holder, check these out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.